Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to delete all indexes present in the RavenDB embedded RavenDB database of ServiceControl. Sometimes these indexes become corrupt, and this is the way to resolve this issue. First, we have to launch the ServiceControl management application. When this is running, we click the wrench icon to go to the advanced options, and then we select Start Maintenance Mode. Now that this is running, we have to open up the RavenDB Management Studio. We have to open this in Internet Explorer because of the uses of Silverlight. My default browser is Chrome, so I right-click this link, select Copy to Clipboard, and then open up Internet Explorer. I now navigate to this application, and then I go to Indexes. Then I open up the index drop-down and select Delete all indexes, and I confirm. We now see that all indexes have been deleted. We can then close Internet Explorer, stop maintenance mode, go back, and then launch our ServiceControl instance. If we now access Service Pulse, the information presented there will not be up to date yet. It will take some time to rebuild all indexes in the RavenDB database. Depending on the environment, this can take several hours to complete. Hope this video was useful.